I'm going to go over Ivy's to-do list and calendar function called Plan. Plan lives within your project itself. So in order to access it, all you need to do is go into your project, click on Plan, and you'll see a side-by-side to-do list and calendar. The calendar is compiled of any invoices that are due, any products that are estimated to ship, or any dates that you've assigned in terms of receive date, delivery date, directly from the project tracker. And you're also able to add custom events directly to your calendar. In order to do this, you simply need to double click on the day and add your description, add the time, add the location, and the reminder date. Or you can also create an entry simply by clicking Create, Calendar Event, and I will call this Tile Installation for the full week. Now, with this calendar, you're actually able to sync this to your Gmail, your Outlook, or your Apple Calendar, which allows you to see everything going on within Ivy in your everyday calendar. It's a one-way sync from Ivy to those calendars. So if you add anything to your regular calendar, you will not see it in Ivy. The to-do list function is a really amazing tool which allows you to delegate tasks to your team members. Once again, this lives within your project, so all you need to do is click on this little plus button and you're able to create a task. So let's say I'm going to ask Bobby to create sketches for living room, add my description, set my due date, and I can assign it to Billy and save. And you'll see that right over here as a calendar entry. Billy will also get an email notifying him that he has been assigned a task. And if that task is passed and he has not yet marked it as complete, it will actually turn red on your calendar, so you'll know that it is a past due item. You also have the ability to access the plan feature on a global scale across all of your projects. And that takes place right over here on the left-hand side. All I would need to do is click Plan. And I can see all of my to-do list items and everything going on my calendar across all of my projects. Or I can simplify it on an individual project basis. Please note that if you are trying to add any items from this global plan section, you will only be able to add them on an individual project basis. You will not be able to add them across the board when you're displaying all of your projects. Ivy is a project-based system, so everything that you do should be within the project itself. Additionally, you can also filter through to see all of the to-do list items delegated to each of your team members just by clicking right over here. And you can also include the completed items. All you need to do is show done. It's that easy.